Hi to everyone, welcome to our channel, glad to see you here. Want to share with you today the platform where you can easily find the way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, to buy Bitcoin, to hold the cryptocurrencies in this platform. And this is easy, safe, fast, and this platform is absolutely reliable and cool. Why? I'm gonna explain in this video, so watch it till the end. And let's start. First of all, you need to make a deposit on the platform, and for that you need to pass the registration. You need to sign up. You need to fulfill these fields: first name, last name, phone number or email, password. Of course, to confirm that you're 18 and plus, because it's illegal to the people who are not 18. Or you can use your Facebook account or Google email. This is the list of all the payment systems that available for this platform to make deposits and to withdraw funds. It's a fantastic list. You can even use your Visa and MasterCard plastic cards. And there's applications available for iOS. You can download it in App Store, and for Android, of course, you can get it on Google Play. So when you will fill these fields, you can open an account for free. It's absolutely free. As I am on the platform right now, I will just sign up, and you will find out yourself how to fulfill all those. You know your name, you know your first name and last name. I think that it's pretty easy. And there's a dashboard. There is a platform. So here on the pop-up list, you can find the crypto. There's plenty of tools to make money on this platform. Options, forex, stocks, crypto. This is cool and reliable broker platform that allows you to buy cryptos. There's 26 positions on the list, and you can buy and sell a lot of types of cryptocurrencies right here. So we go into Bitcoin, for example, and here you have the buy and sell buttons, just two of them. This is pretty easy. There's no difficulties with that. So to buy Bitcoin, you need to press buy when you're sure that the price will go up. In that case, you can make a profit even. I know that the price will go up, and a lot of people right now making their purchases for buy, because the movement of the prices of cryptocurrencies, if you're watching the news in the crypto world, you know that the prices is going up right now after the 2017, when there was a fall of the prices. A lot of people was disappointed in the cryptos, but right now the cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology have a second breath, have a second wave. And if you will scroll out a little bit, you'll see that there was a height for cryptos in 2017, and right now in 2020 it's going up, it's growing, and it will grow forward, it will grow more. So you changing the amount of your investment. First of all, you need to make the deposit with all the payment methods that I showed you in the previous screen, and I want to buy Bitcoin for $1,000, for example. Here you go, I bought it. That's it. That's pretty simple. The same thing with other cryptocurrencies like Ripple, MySQL, Ethereum, and plenty of it. So you like pressing to the crypto, you have this graph, and you making your purchase. That's pretty simple. Of course, the platform taking a small fee for all the issues that made with blockchain technology, and to buy all those cryptos officially and so on. And that's it. Now you have a Bitcoin, now you have other cryptocurrencies from the list, and this is pretty simple, easy. And again, I want to say that the platform is very reliable. It's not new. It will not disappear tomorrow, for example, and you can count on this platform. There's no problems with the withdrawal of funds and no problems with the deposit of funds. This is very important because I need you to make money and not to lose them. So I showed you that it's pretty simple, easy, and safe. And in that case, you can try to invest your money. You can try to invest fight money to cryptocurrencies using this platform. The link is in the description panel of this video. You can find it easily. Use my link, be my guest. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because this is important. And I wish you good profits. I wish you a great day. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.